Need to create a presentation fast? With Templafy MCP and ChatGPT, you can turn a simple prompt into a fully branded PowerPoint presentation in just a few minutes. Once connected, ChatGPT can use Templafy to turn your prompts into complete presentations. Simply describe the presentation you want. Include the topic, audience, and key points you would like covered. ChatGPT researches the topic and gathers the information needed to answer your prompt. It then connects with Templafy and presents the approved presentation themes available to you. Select the template that best fits your audience and purpose. Once you've selected a template, Templafy takes over and starts building the presentation structure. It organizes the content, creates a logical storyline, selects appropriate layouts, and prepares supporting visuals and imagery. Next, Templafy turns that structure into a complete presentation. Each slide is generated using your organization's approved template and branding, combining content, visuals, and formatting into a polished PowerPoint deck. When the presentation is ready, you can review the preview and export it in the format you need, including PowerPoint or PDF. The result is a standard PowerPoint presentation that remains fully editable. Update content, adjust slides, and continue working just as you normally would. No switching tools and no starting from scratch. Focus on your ideas and let Templafy handle the rest.